This video will demonstrate some time savers to help you move beyond the traditional copy and paste method. So here on a document, most of us are used to selecting a word, right-clicking on it, choosing copy, and then again choosing right-clicking and choosing paste. A quicker way though can be to, when you select your text, to just use your keyboard shortcuts, Control-C, click where you want to paste, and choose Control-V. Notice on your keyboard that the Control-C and Control-V are placed right next to each other. That's to help make that process very quick and easy, so when you're doing a lot of pasting, you can do it very quickly. Another thing that can really help you, as it's labeled here in this document, is when using your mouse, if you double click the word you want to select, it'll be highlighted. So if I double click this word, you can see very quickly that instead of having to find the beginning of the word and dragging to the end, what I can do is just double click it, choose C to copy, and then wherever I want to paste it, again Control-V to paste that word. Similarly, what you can do is you can also double click and drag to select multiple words. So if I wanted several words in this sentence, I can just, as I'm moving my mouse, when I double click, I continue holding down the mouse button to choose the multiple words, and then hit Control-C and Control-V to paste. There's other times where you may want an entire paragraph or section on the paper. So here you're going to, as it says, triple click. So I'm going to hold down my mouse button 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and you can see the whole paragraph is selected. So again, triple click will select that paragraph, and now I can Control-C, Control-V to paste that same paragraph. These tricks start working really well, and sometimes you may find a whole page where you need to copy that whole page and place it somewhere else. Instead of trying to click the beginning and find the end of that document, just Control-A will select everything. Then of course from there you can Control-C, Control-V to paste everything as well. But one of the things I find that I use quite often, and this is a helpful tip again, is that sometimes you may have noticed that when you copy text from one location into another, that format will travel along with it. Well, sometimes if the format does not match my document, I have to go in and do a lot of reformatting. So for example, in this text right here, you can see that it's all italicized. I've got a bold, some color changes here, even a font change. Well, if I need to paste that, but I want it to match the rest of my document, what I can do is, first of all, copy that text, just with the traditional Control-C. And then I'm going to use Control-Shift-V to paste, but that paste will match whatever my document text is. So Control-Shift-V, you can see it copies or pastes the same text, but it leaves the formatting out to match the rest of my document. And probably the most popular shortcut that you can learn is the Control-Z feature, because we all make mistakes, and when you hit Control-Z, it'll undo that last action. Control-Y will redo your undo motion. So again, Control-Z will undo, Control-Y will redo. And the part that I love about a Control-Z is that if I make a lot of changes and find out, you know what, I need to go back to the way I originally had it, you can Control-Z several steps and get back to your original document. This video demonstrated some time savers to help you move beyond the traditional copy and paste method.